raining, man. What's going on? Back in this beat. Hey, it's raining, man. What's going on? Alright guys, so we're about to go hit another CrossFit session. Today's Friday, day 10 of the 6-week mini cut. Woke up at 142 today. Today is a back squat session and some RDLs. So, gonna go in there and freaking smash it. I'm in there again, 30 minutes early, gonna get nice and warmed up, stretched out. I am super sore today, just everywhere. Last night I did foam rolling, take a hot shower. And so today I'm gonna get in there, make sure I stretch out, foam roll, and then warm everything up, warm up that core, and then just get into it. So I'm pretty excited about this workout, man. Back squats, just a typical Friday leg day, which happened to be here at the CrossFit gym, so I'm pumped about it. All right, so we're starting off with a 8-minute EMOM of 3 hang snatches or power snatches. Let's get into it.
All right, guys, welcome back to another commentary. So this workout was primarily focusing on legs. Like I said, it was a Friday. I typically take my leg days on a Friday. I like to go into the weekend strong with a hard workout. That's why I prefer leg days on that day. Started off with some muscle snatches, I believe, hang snatches, and then the whole point of this was just to work on form. For me, this is a very, very weak movement. I just don't really know how it's supposed to flow together. I have practiced it, you know, the past few, not gonna lie, past few months, and it's still horrible. Obviously, not as much emphasis, but now that I'm starting CrossFit, it gets thrown in there a couple times, and I definitely get remembered that I have a lot of work to do. So that was the whole point of this here. Started off light, didn't plan on going crazy heavy at all, but honestly I feel like sometimes when you go with a lighter weight, it gets harder for some reason. Like, you kind of get stuck, kind of don't really, you kind of just muscle things. So obviously once you add a little bit of weight, it kind of just flows a little bit better. Here was with just 2 10s on the side. On a few of those I lost my balance, probably because I was just, you know, still tight, stiff robot. But honestly, I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm just, you know, trying to work on the foundations while I'm in class. But whenever I'm like lifting, you know, at Globo gyms that have platforms and stuff, or even in getting like a garage workout, I'll throw 95 pounds on there and I'll do a few sets, and I feel like they flow pretty smooth. So maybe it's just this workout just not really being, you know, just trying to get the foundations down and not really trying to go for super heavyweight. But honestly, looking back at this footage, I'm not all too upset.
I feel freaking weak on those, but it's just that repetition, man. I'm gonna use this footage to just look over and see what I can do better. Probably all of it. Alright, so we got 4 sets of 3 on back squats right now. This is my second warm-up set. I'm gonna do this, throw on 245, and then start with 275 for the working sets.
To some back squats. Started off with 225, and obviously I warmed up before this, and then working sets, there we go. These weren't the working sets, but this is what I decided to just get a few sets in with. Back squats are one of my stronger movements, I would say. I had the lifters on here as well, definitely helped. So someone made a comment in my last video telling me to do some sprints in those bad boys. We'll make a video, man. We'll make a 1 mile timed in lifters video. So here we got 275.
First working set.
So for my first working set, I did 275. I'm not too sure how many sets the whole workout was, but that's what I wanted my working sets to start at, just to push myself. During my normal bodybuilding movements or bodybuilding leg days, I might hit maybe a set of 275 for 3, and that's it. And then I'll either like go up to like a 1 rep or just start going back down. But that's what I like about CrossFit, man. Like, their strength cycles are a little different, and I've really never really seen that rep scheme, or I've just never really tried it, and I'm liking it, man. Liking hitting these heavier loads for more sets, and that was 295.
Happening on those today. I'm gonna take the weight off and just do 275.
So I went 295, had to take the weight off just because I was trying to, you know, beat my previous squat session with 295 for all the sets, but obviously wasn't moving too slow or moving too hot.
Slow, feeling so heavy today. That's good. Still trying to get those reps in.
So yeah, man, just dropped it back down 275. Like I said, it felt like it was moving slow. These honestly look pretty good to me. Oh yeah, that one was slow. But, you know, just trying to get better. Obviously, that's why we're in there. Some days you're going to feel good, other days you're not. But yeah, man, that's what this footage allows me to do. It's like just critique my form and just try and get better, especially with those Olympic moves, man. Split jerks, man, been doing more of those. They're coming along pretty well, man. Moved on into some RDLs here with 135. I really never do barbell RDLs, but obviously getting coached up here just to kind of stay in that position to where like there's a ton of tension in your hamstrings, which was awesome. That definitely helped once I made that switch. See, I'm just in that stance, and it's just tension the whole time. So those were burners, man. My hamstrings were feeling it. But overall, it was a good workout, man. Pretty happy with looking back on this footage, how everything was looking. But yeah,
so I did it for the back squats. I did, I don't know, 3 sets of 275 for 3, and then 1 set of 245. Just felt super slow and I'm super sore. So now we're gonna do these Romanian deadlifts, 4 sets of 3, which you saw there. I'm not gonna go crazy heavy, just 135, maybe 145.
Increased the weight for one of the sets. I believe this is 155. I think it was only about 5 reps.
That's gonna do it for this workout. Not the best session, but I'm pretty happy with it just because I'm sore and I know what it's from. It's definitely from the deadlifts that I did earlier this week. So, I don't know, just overall a good session. Still pushed myself, still did what I could. So, see you guys next clip.
Back in this B. It's been a while. Seems like I've talked to you guys in the car. There's a back squat workout with some legs, mainly leg emphasis. I got in there early just to warm up and foam roll out. I honestly was expecting a better workout, but now that I think of it, I went in there super early just to warm up and stretch and foam roll for a reason. I was super sore today. My chest, my shoulders, my hamstrings, my quad was tight, just because I did deadlifts the day before, or 2 days ago, and then I did, what else did I do? I did some like chest, I did some squats, some shoulder pressing from yesterday's video. But honestly, I'm pretty happy with what I got. I got about 3 sets at 275, which I'm pretty pumped about if I think about it. Like, I'll hit 275 maybe 1 set during my normal bodybuilding sessions and then just keep going up from there, but never like 3 or 4 sets of 3, if you know what I mean. So it was good that volume in with that, and honestly still push myself. So I'm pretty happy with the results. And then the Romanian deadlifts, those felt really good. Nice stretch on the hamstrings, the glutes. So overall, it was a good session. Did some split jerks and some push press. I didn't film them, it was just, just do them real quick. But overall, it's a good session. I'm pretty pumped about that. We'll see you guys in the next clip. What's going on?
Continue on this path, the freight train straight to the top.
All right, so I'm also having 2 pieces of toast with a little bit of strawberry jam, and this one has Nutella. It's 10 grams of Nutella, 11 grams of strawberry jam. This only had not too many calories. These slices of bread, 2 of those are these Nature's Own pieces of bread. It's like 60 calories a piece. So I'm gonna have this just because I'm a little hungrier than normal, but I'll show you the finished breakfast in a little bit. 3rd cup, 40 grams, 23 grams, 23 grams looks like. 69 grams, man. Boom, over here we got that egg whites. Health. Alright guys, so I'm gonna crush this. This is gonna be my first meal of the day. All in all, it's about 768 calories for this entire meal. 103 carbs, 20 fat, 47 protein. It's gonna be meal number 1. I'll show you guys what I have for lunch. Boom, we're back. So this is my lunch right now. I'm having just a simple turkey wrap, tortilla wrap, spinach, some honey mustard, 0 calories, Frank's Red Hot, 0 calories, 2 slices of extra lean ham, 2 slices of extra lean turkey. This is pretty much gonna do it for my lunch, since I did have those 2 pieces of toast with my breakfast. So if I have anything else, I'll show you, but that's gonna do it for lunch, and I'll show you guys my dinner. So I got a bit of a sweet tooth. I'm gonna crush one of these rice cakes, just caramel flavor. Only like 50 calories, 11 carbs, something like that. So nice little snack, just to satiate the sweet tooth. Boom. All right, so it's currently 9:50 at night. It's been about 7.5 hours since I last ate. Last time I ate was at like 2:30. I know I should be eating more, but I was at work the whole time. So right now what I'm having, about 155 grams of steamed white rice, 7 ounces of 93.7 ground turkey with some hot sauce, some sugar-free ketchup, honey mustard on there, as well as some spinach. It's all on a bed of spinach. And over here I'm having 45 grams of oats since I was feeling something sweet, 24 grams of peanut butter, 65 grams of strawberries, strawberries, 35 grams of blueberries, and some Himalayan sea salt, and some Walden Farms. So this whole meal is coming out to 823, 86 carb, 30 fat, 52 protein. So all in all for the day, I'm at about 125 grams of protein, 229 carbs, and 55 fat. So I'm freaking hungry. I'm starting to get hangry. Need to freaking eat. I'm gonna crush this meal. So that's basically been a full day of eating. I might have a few different things here and there, but it's been a long time since I've eaten. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. See you guys in the next clip.